In the heart of Malaysia, morning awakens with the scent of spices and fresh produce. Vibrant colors and textures invite the curious traveler to explore.
Every interaction tells a story, bridging culture and curiosity.
Every street in Malaysia whispers the echoes of history.
Walls painted with stories, bridging past and present.
Every corner offers a glimpse into Malaysia's rich heritage.
Hands move with tradition, shaping stories passed through generations.
Every stroke and weave carries a legacy of culture. Eyes meet skill, and moments become memories.
Sacred spaces welcome visitors, where devotion and curiosity intersect.
Every corner whispers centuries of tradition.
Moments of reflection bridge visitor and tradition.
Movement tells a story, where every gesture carries meaning. Eyes follow every movement, connecting past and present. Visitors absorb the rhythm, becoming part of the cultural heartbeat.
Behind the scenes, tradition readies for celebration.
Colors and textures reveal the heart of Malaysia's traditions. Every smile and gaze captures the spirit of celebration. Flavors awaken the senses, inviting exploration. Each dish tells a story, crafted with care and tradition. Visitors savor flavors, connecting with culture through taste. Rivers carry stories, guiding travelers through Malaysia's living heritage. Every ripple reflects centuries of tradition. As the sun descends, Malaysia glows in golden light.
Tourists pause, capturing moments that last a lifetime.
As night falls, lights awaken the streets and heritage sites.
Tourists wander through glowing lanes, immersed in culture.
Every corner tells a story, illuminated in the dark. Moments shared under the glow of Malaysia's living culture. As the city sleeps, memories linger, carrying the spirit of Malaysia culture.